Hey, it's Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Spotify display name on Android and also on desktop. So first we're going to start on Android. You click on your profile up at the top, and then there's a small text that says View Profile. You click on there, and you're actually not allowed to change your username on Spotify. You used to be able to do this. It's only the display name, but your friends can still find you, other people that want to follow you. So you're on there, you've clicked on that, and then you click edit right below your photo. And where it says name, you can just type in something else. So let's say I don't want to be Mark, I want to be Scott now. Okay, so my friends might know me as Scott. I don't know. You type in the new name, click save. There you go. So now when people are searching for Scott, they see your picture, you pop right up. Let's hop over to desktop and I'll show you how to do it there. And stick around, I've got a bonus tip for you right at the end. So on desktop, you navigate up to the top right to your profile picture. You click on that, and then you scroll down and click on profile. You can see I changed my name to Dave. Maybe I'm just trying to go like undercover. I don't want people to know what my real name is. But if you want to change that, you look at the three dots under your picture, edit profile, and today I'm in the mood for being called what? Henry. All right. Sounds kind of traditional. You know, I'm feeling like 1800s vibe today. I'll go with Henry or Hank. People can call me as short. So that's how easy that was. So I showed you on Android phone and desktop. And now for your bonus tip, something else cool you can do on Spotify, which I didn't know about till recently. You can go to search in your library on the left-hand side and then click on Made for You. And you can merge your tastes with a friend's taste. So you can scroll down and you click Create a Blend. And so as you can see here, I've got my picture, and then I can invite a friend to create a blend for me. That's even hard to say. So it might be my blend plus Pablo, and he's got some different Latino music, and I want to see what the fusion looks like. You can invite your friend to do that. And then you paste that, send that to them, and you create some cool blend. So I've showed you how to change your display name on Spotify on Android and desktop, and also bonus tip, create a blend with a friend, and it rhymes. So thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you like the video, and subscribe to our channel.